Namaste and good afternoon to all of you. I am Anant Joshi, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Ahmednagar. I firstly very much thankful for the organizing committee of this FDP for organizing such a wonderful training program. Now I will explain the how I implemented modern tools in teaching learning process. Firstly, I use Mentimeter software and ask my students that which chapter you find difficult in engineering drawing that needs to be revision, and 30 students are responded, out of which the 17% students responded that the projection of lines and planes are simpler chapter than that of the projection of solid, projection of section of solid and missing views. Then I choose taking a quiz on projection of lines and projection of plane. For taking quiz, I use the TestMouse software, which is freely available, and I have taken one online quiz. That quiz is here. In this, I have created a quiz on projection of lines and planes. I have created 13 questions. That questions are here. Then I have shared that quiz, and the link of that quiz is testmouse.com/3395654, which is shared on the WhatsApp group of my student. Students are responded for that online quiz. 66 students responded for the quiz, and here is the list of that responded students which are responded to quiz. Then I use a feedback form that did student enjoyed the quiz, and the 92% student says that they are enjoyed the quiz. Again, I have asked the students whether they are interested for another quiz. Then 80% of the students says that yes, they are interested for the second quiz. Then I have asked the students for next quiz which chapter they are interested. Then they says that they are interested in quiz of sectional orthographic projections. Thank you, sir. In this way, I have implemented the modern tools in teaching learning process, and students have also enjoyed this teaching learning process. Thank you.